Well, Mira, here in Michigan, everyone 16 and older was eligible to get the COVID-19 vaccine back on April 5th, but just across the river in Ontario, that doesn't happen until May 24th.
Just a mile and a half separates Detroit and Windsor, but when it comes to the vaccine, they couldn't be farther apart.
It's not open to everybody yet.
Carrie Sleeman lives just outside of Windsor and works in a retirement home and was one of the first Canadians to get vaccinated with both doses. But since then, things have changed. Her husband got his first dose last week, and his second is a long way away.
His wait is going to be the 16 weeks. He has to wait until almost, I think it's July, before he gets his second vaccination.
Right now in the U.S., 44% of all Americans have received one dose and 31% are fully vaccinated. However, in Canada, 29% has received at least one dose and just 2.5% have been fully vaccinated.
Canada's approach is somewhat different than the United States. I would say our approach is much more in line with the UK approach, which is get as many people that first dose as possible.
On a Canadian radio show, the country's health minister said that was the country's plan to handle their limited amount of doses. She also discussed the potential of a vaccine passport to travel in and out of Canada.
Absolutely. First of all, Canadians need to be able to have the right kind of certification for international travel.
It's unclear how that would impact the border crossings between Detroit and Windsor or any other travel, but more information is likely to come.
I'm meeting on a regular basis with my G7 counterparts, and this is an ongoing conversation.
In the meantime, Pfizer will begin sending doses from Michigan to Canada, helping our neighbors to the north get their first and second shots.
I would rather my husband be 98% vaccinated rather than 66, right? Whereas I'm sure everybody else would be too.
Now, that shipment is the first from Pfizer coming to the United States, but Pfizer had been being given out in Canada. They just had to go to Belgium to actually get those vaccines. Reporting live in Detroit, I'm Brett Cast, 7 Action News.